Automate, simplify, and grow your cleaning business by implementing ZenMaid's easy-to-use scheduling platform. If you aren't using ZenMaid in your cleaning business, you are missing out on not just money, but also wasting time. We have been using ZenMaid since the very start of opening our cleaning business back in 2018. ZenMaid is one of the reasons why we were able to scale so quickly within the first year, reaching a little bit over $300,000 in sales with just myself and my sister as a solo cleaning team. Stop missing out on closing deals with potential cleaning clients. By implementing ZenMaid's instant quoting and booking forms, your company is going to be open 24/7, meaning that clients can log on to your cleaning company's website and get an instant quotation as well as book while you're busy cleaning or even sleeping, as we get many bookings throughout the night. Now let's talk a little bit about ZenMaid's instant quoting and booking forms. This is just one of the many amazing features that ZenMaid has to offer. By implementing ZenMaid's instant quoting and booking forms onto your cleaning company's website, you are allowing your potential clients to get an instant quote as well as instant book on your website. Let's talk a little bit about ZenMaid's amazing instant quoting and booking forms. Your clients can log onto your website, toggle the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and also input any extras that they may need, as well as pick a date and input their credit card information to instantly book their cleaning. Not only is this going to help drive sales, but this is also going to help you upsell. As I mentioned, the customers can go ahead and choose any additional add-ons for their cleanings, such as inside oven, inside refrigerator, pets, finished basements, and cabinet fronts. ZenMaid's instant quoting and booking forms are 100% customizable to your cleaning company. Aside from getting an instant quotation and having the capability of booking a cleaning, your clients have to put in their credit card information, which makes the entire payment process simplified. Most clients don't like to give their credit card information over the phone, so this is going to solve that issue. Also, if you're like me and you happen to take deposits for your cleanings, this is going to make that entire process a lot simpler because you are already going to have that information saved on file. At the end of each cleaning, you can run the card on file and send your clients a receipt rather than an invoice. I know that many cleaning companies still send out invoices and then don't get paid for days or even weeks later. Another great reason to get away from the pen and paper method and move over to ZenMaid's amazing platform is going to be the automated reminders. Number one, before each cleaning, your customers are going to get an automated reminder of their upcoming appointments. No more having to send out text messages or emails manually. Your cleaners will also get automated work orders so that they understand what has to be done on each and every single clean, and they will have the capability to physically see what today's appointments are. They will be able to see the client's name, address, the type of cleaning, and what time the cleaning is supposed to start and finish. Another awesome feature about ZenMaid is the capability to have your technicians clock in and clock out. No more wondering whether a team got to their location and has started. And this is also another amazing way to keep track of your team's clean times. As mentioned earlier, ZenMaid also has the capability to invoice your clients. So whether that means taking a deposit from your client and sending them a receipt for that, or invoicing them directly after the clean. You don't have to use another platform to send your invoices or do any automated charges. With ZenMaid, they also have a really awesome payroll feature where you can keep track of the time that each one of your technicians is working based on them clocking in and clocking out through the application. ZenMaid is completely affordable compared to a lot of other platforms out there that I have personally used. I know that Booking Koala starts at about $97 a month, whereas ZenMaid has a free version and a free 14-day trial. And once you do start with the plan, they start at $50 a month and only charge an additional $10 per user, meaning that for each technician that you bring on or office manager, it is only an additional $10 a month. Not only is ZenMaid completely affordable, but they are not known to consistently increase their pricing. Now, I have personally used a ton of applications such as Jobber, Booking Koala, ZenBooker, Launch 27, Workis, and each and one of these platforms has always increased pricing over the months, sometimes multiple times each year. ZenMaid was created by cleaning business owners for cleaning business owners, so it is very, very easy to use. If you currently already use a platform for your cleaning business, ZenMaid is here to help you import all of your clients' information, as well as sit down with you for 30 minutes and help you onboard. As if that isn't enough, I have also created a ZenMaid Bootcamp online course for you guys to learn each and every single feature that there is that ZenMaid has to offer. Now, my ZenMaid online bootcamp is priced very low. However, if you would like this ZenMaid bootcamp for absolutely free, please be sure to use my referral link. Send me a screenshot via live chat or email, and I will send you ZenMaid bootcamp online absolutely for free. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the button for your free 14-day trial to ZenMaid's amazing platform for cleaning business owners. Don't forget to send me the screenshot of your sign up so I can send you over the free ZenMaid Bootcamp.